right, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Starting with the front right wheel, you got the Pro Comp wheels. I don't see any curb rash. Overall, they look like they're in really good condition. 33 by 12, 50, 18 ridge grapplers. They are low on tread. Have a gash here, typical little rock impacts. Rest of that fender looks good. All of that looks nice. This plastic looks really good. A-pillar's in good condition. Got the STX emblem here, that looks nice. A couple small rock impacts here and there. Otherwise, that door looks good. That pillar's nice and clean. Looking at this door, a couple small rock chips. That graphic looks perfect. You're gonna see some little rock chips here and there. Got the exhaust on the side. Looking at that wheel, looks really good. The tread is low. And then of course you got the side steps here from Ford. And then we'll check out in here. All right, looking at the front end, starting with the hood, you're gonna see these little rock impacts kind of peppered throughout. There's some larger ones. And you'll just see those every once in a while here. A couple larger ones there. A few up here. Scanning that hood, I don't see any other imperfections there. And of course, you're gonna have more rock impacts on the front grille surround and this lower bumper. That light looks like it's cracked and yellowing. You're gonna see these rock impacts. Some larger ones. That light's cracked. Here on the engine bay, just kind of scanning through this. All of that looks good. Looking at the driver's side, wheel looks nice. Tire tread low. Couple rock chips. Little scuff right here. That mirror looks good. A-pillar looks nice. And then you're going to see a few rock chips every once in a while. Plastic looks good. Here on the bedside, a couple small rock chips. Other than that, looks good. That wheel looks nice. Tires are low. And you got a bed cover here. It looks like that's kind of peeling up and it's separating right there. You do have some chips right here. A couple small gashes in the plastic. Got the gloss black inserts here. It might be a black chrome actually. A few small chips. Looking at the bumper, a couple scuffs. Otherwise, it looks like it's in good condition. Like I said, this is creased here. You can see it separating over there, and that top is lifting. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker. A couple small scuffs here and there. Otherwise, that panel looks good. Got your SCT programmer. You do have wear right there, but that trim looks good. Got the all-weather mats. That bolster looks nice. A couple small stains. A little wrinkle right here, but I don't see any rips or tears. Those are in great condition. A little bit of wear on the steering wheel. You're going to see most of that right here on the top side. You're going to see these little dimples. Got your Bluetooth, all your buttons here. Automatic headlights, electronic parking brake. Got the bigger screen. Four-wheel drive. All of this looks nice. That's in great condition. Got the all-weather mats. And you're going to see a couple little stains on here, or at least a little bit of dirt in those areas. That bolster looks amazing. This one looks good. A little stain here. I don't see any rips or tears. You do see some scratches here on this side of the console. Other than that, looks good. A couple small scratches here. Upper side looks good. A little stain here. Other than that, this side looks really nice. Looks good. Got the all-weather mat here. Got the console. And then you have some charging ports. 2 USBs and then the little cigarette outlet one. Seat backs look nice. Those seats look good. A couple small stains. I don't see any rips. Headliner looks good.